I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've accidentally locked your Acorns card and need to unlock it, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Acorns app. Launch the Acorns app on your smartphone. Make sure you reload into your account to access your card settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you're in the app, tap on the account icon, usually found at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account management options. Step 3. Select your card. In account settings, find the section labeled Cards or Payment Methods. Tap on the card you wish to unlock. Step 4. Unlock the card. Look for the option that says Unlock Card or Card Status. Tap this option to unlock your card. You may need to confirm your identity with a PIN or biometric verification. Step 5. Confirmation. After unlocking, you should see a confirmation message on the screen. Check your card status to ensure it is active again. If you don't see the change, try refreshing the app. If you follow these steps, you should have your card unlocked in no time. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Acorns support. Happy investing!